These are the top 3 cold call openers. In today's video, I'm going to break down some of my favorite openers when it comes to making a cold call. So if you're picking up the phone and you're reaching out to prospects, you're doing the right thing, but now we're going to arm you with something that is going to help you when they pick up the phone. The first one is the permission-based opener. Now, there are very many different variations of this one. I like this one. I'm going to be very honest with you. It is a sales call. You can hang up or you can let me have 30 seconds. The permission-based opener is incredible when it comes to diffusing the chimp part of the brain, using humor, honesty, and allowing them room to say no, but also making sure that it's delivered in the right way. The second one is the curious opener. So the way that this works best is with people that might work in HR or marketing, and you're going to spark that curiosity within them. So it might sound a little bit like this. John, we've never spoken before. I've been set a bit of a weird task. I was wondering if you might be able to help me. People like to help people that are in need. So sound like you're in need and they might want to help you. The third one is getting straight to the point. Okay, so whatever it is you offer, whether it be recruitment, marketing services, IT, PPE, this one works really, really well in saturated markets, and it might sound something like this. I'll be honest with you, it is a cold call about recruitment. I don't know if that makes you want to slam down the phone or let me run through in 30 seconds. Another variation of the permission-based opener. When you're cold calling people, you've got to imagine that the person picking up the other end of the phone is a gatekeeper. We call it the inner gatekeeper, and it is your job to get past the inner gatekeeper and through to the human part of the brain. So make sure that you sound the part, make sure that you allow them space to say no, and make sure you're honest and upfront. So if you're picking up the phone today, try one of these and let us know how you get on.